Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 9th of March 2026. In today's top renewable energy news, private equity firm Siris has agreed to acquire a majority stake in renewable energy services provider TAKKION from funds managed by Apollo. TAKKION generated approximately $600 million in revenue in 2025 and provides services across renewable energy operations, maintenance and repair, construction, transportation, and fixed-site logistics. Siris said it plans to work with the company's management team to optimize operations and expand service capabilities into adjacent sectors including solar, battery storage, and transmission. In the United States, wind turbines are estimated to kill between 140 and 681,000 birds annually. That's a high number, and the industry can absolutely do better. But it pales in comparison to other, more common issues. Power lines in the U.S. kill between 12 and 64 million birds. Electrocution alone is estimated to kill over 900,000. Vehicle collisions kill between 89 and 340 million birds annually. Meanwhile, glass buildings kill up to almost 1 billion birds a year, and outdoor cats between 1.3 and 4 billion per year. Wind energy kills a maximum of 0.4 birds per gigawatt hour it produces in electricity. Fossil fuel sources kill, on average, 5.2 birds per gigawatt hour. Japan's debate on offshore wind infrastructure has long focused on the physical limits of its ports, especially key length, water depth, and load-bearing capacity. But developers say the real bottleneck may lie elsewhere. In particular, in the rules governing how those ports can be used. In recent weeks, the government has quietly introduced a series of operational reforms that could significantly reshape the financial dynamics of offshore wind projects. They include measures to reduce the first mover penalty for companies using designated base ports. The government of India has outlined the country's evolving energy mix and transition measures. According to the update, India's installed solar capacity has increased from 3 gigawatts in 2014 to 140 by January 2026. Wind energy installations have also expanded during this period. Cumulative wind capacity has reached about 54.65 gigawatts across India by the end of last year. Energy companies and other producers in the Netherlands generated a total of 132 billion kilowatt-hours of electricity in 2025. That was the most ever. After years of decline, production from fossil fuels increased once again. Electricity generated from solar energy was also up, while electricity exports reached a new high according to Statistics Netherlands. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.